Guys, Rick here, and today we're going to have a YouTube video.
And we got
some gummy things. We got gummy noodles.
He got gummy noodles. I got this gummy burger.
And on the side, it's like Chinese food, button gummy for 100 calories. We're not going to eat the whole thing, but here's all the ingredients that are online. Aiden can show you all the stuff that's in his.
All the stuff, but I don't really care about that.
It just comes out in a brick.
This comes out in a...
wow, show them what you're looking. Looks nice.
Yeah.
And put it in here like when you open it up.
Well, yeah, let me open this first.
We found these at like a candy store.
Yeah.
Oh, that is.
Ooh, this next one.
That is
Very
strong.
It's good flavor. It smells good. It's just very strong because there's a lot of...
I wanted to have this peep because that stuff is...
There's no actual bottom bun. What the heck? It didn't come with a bottom bun. It's just this piece of plastic.
That's jerk move.
I guess I have to eat it upside down like this.
I'm going to have this peep first. Hold it back. And we're trying this so you don't have to.
Is that like a peep?
Yeah. I wanted to eat this because peeps don't really taste that bad.
Like a piece of lettuce or something. What?
Comes in strong with the banana.
I like banana flavor though.
Oh my goodness.
This is good.
Comes in really strong with the banana. You want to try this? You like banana, just rip a piece off. I'm not going to eat that again. How much as you want? I think I'll take another bite. It's kind of good. Maybe I went a little too far in the banana.
I don't think it's too far. I think it's just the right amount.
I'm not going to finish that. There it is. Done. Okay, because this will do everything else.
You have 23 pieces of candy. I have 22 in mine. I'm going to try like at least one of each.
I don't know. Sheesh, dude. There's a lot in here.
I got like, there's like 5 gummy meat patty things.
I have an egg.
Oh, hard.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's a Coca-Cola flavor.
You got all the good flavors, dude.
The texture isn't good at all, though. How's that?
Pretty good. Huh? I want to try your Coca-Cola bag. No, I think we should just do
There's
our own.
only one candy.
I think we should just do our own. You know, because I feel like that would give us a stomachache. You know?
And then next we have...
But I really want to try that Coca-Cola patty. You want a piece of this?
You can have it.
It's your choice. I'm going to have...
This is like a slightly larger gummy bear. It's like barely bigger than a regular gummy bear, but like... Let me try it. It's supposed to be like ketchup and cheese. So like...
That's good, Coke. Oh, well. Don't even need. It's pretty good. What even is that? Candy vegetables. Is this like a pepper or something? Well, you have to cut it up. Oh.
Welcome to Drake Food Review.
And I'm not eating that anymore. I need some of this to wash that down.
I don't know how to describe that.
Since you have a cap, can't you just throw all my trash in here? Because you're not going to need these again. The cap comes with a cap.
I don't really like it.
Throw it in there.
I don't like the texture. It's not
It's pretty bad.
very great. And it tastes like candy throw up.
They got candy shrimp, and they did really well on the shrimp.
And I only
one.
have like one more thing.
Bro,
And it's the bun.
I have. What do you mean? How'd you go through yours so quick?
Oh no, wait, there's this.
I want us both to try the shrimp. And shrimp. Look how detailed it
It's
is.
it's very detailed too. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a in the
Oh,
light,
yeah,
it's
onion.
a tomato.
Oh, tomato. You wanna do the shrimp together?
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty, really detailed.
My God, it's hard to. Kind of tastes like the other one.
A lot of this does not taste good. I really wanted to get that strawberry taste. They failed.
It says like on the package with like a. There's only one of these in here, I think, and you could get either purple, red, or green. I got the purple one.
Which is pretty cool. I like purple. Where's orange shrimp? What? Oh, they come in multiple varieties of flavors. What is this? Oh, candy vegetables. What would that be?
Looks like broccoli or
A
something.
pepper.
Oh yeah, that is a pepper.
Yeah, a little pepper here. I don't know. Like how they're.
Tastes like a really hard gummy, and that's it.
What that?
Like I don't really like the meat in this because like how thin it is.
Oh my goodness, you have to have a T-Rex jaw.
I don't like eating the whole thing.
The whole thing kind of tastes like throw up. Well, hold up.
This looks promising. It looks like it's gonna be good. It's very
Hold
it's not like a hard gummy.
I want you to try this one. I want you to try. I want to try that bun. Oh, it was very gooey. You show it in there.
Oh yeah, no. That tastes exactly like throw up.
No.
A little bit sweeter, but
Later on, it tastes lemony. For me, it did.
oh yeah, you're right.
This smelled like throw up.
Oh.
Smelling it is way worse than just eating it. Cheers.
Oh no, you're right. I chewed it for a bit and tasted.
Dink.
It's pretty good.
Overall, I think his burger tastes better.
Have you had your noodles?
I'm scared.
Gummy noodles.
I know they will taste like throw up. I'm gonna take them this much.
I think the best part of my burger were
The bun for me. I don't know what you.
either these or the like gummy bears.
I didn't try the green one, but I think it tasted like that, right?
No, nothing like that.
Oh well, I have to try these.
I mean, it tasted like the
want to get your
lemon
own?
part of that you did.
cannot.
You try them
This
first.
is the course. Come on, I tried your bun.
Alright.
Come on, baby, bro.
Okay.
Babe. We're probably gonna throw all this away, except for those peeps. For those peeps, we're gonna no. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of one of them. I'm gonna take the yellow one first. Much better than everything else.
Yo, those kind of taste like. So why do they taste like throw up? It's not good.
For you, this one did.
Do you not like the texture of either of them? Not like either of those.
Yellow's
Especially the
better.
It's not good.
And we have one more beat. I have to. We don't usually taste gummies like this. And I want to taste your green one first.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
What are those red one things? What bear supposed to be?
But yeah, these two were like the best part of mine.
I would think the candy egg is my best one. I don't know. No, it's already in the trash. No.
How's it taste?
Tastes good.
And you throw it away.
I didn't want to eat the whole thing, bro. After I this peep, I'm done. Jeez, there's a lot of candy.
Type 2 diabetes.
I'd rather not. We don't usually eat candy like this. We were at a candy store and this kind of one thing led to another. For the channel.
I like those. I don't usually like pizza. Those are good. What flavor?
Gotta get this. That tastes really good.
Okay.
This
Is it like strawberry or cherry?
it's just good. This is my best thing now.
Pretty sure that's strawberry. That's pretty good, yeah. It's not too strong. Yeah, that's good.
Make this whole thing.
Have you had one of these gummy bears?
I don't think there's anything that you haven't tried in mine. Give her that candy.
I haven't tried the egg, but there's only one of those.
I don't know how you bit it. I mean, if you want the other side, you could have it.
It would. I wish it came with a bottom bun, because then I would eat it like a burger.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do that. I would just get like a piece of everything that I have.
And break her teeth on it. I guess I'll have this little thing. We could put a bunch of like these on the bottom. Look like a bun.
Yeah. Or I could just grab two of these buns.
Such candy is bad.
Like a burger, like this. Let me try it.
Bad idea. Yes, very smart idea.
They go okay together. They're better separate.
So much better. I wouldn't want to eat that. Wish you could have tried that. Come on, I think you can try that, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Just take a bite of that then. I mean, my brother's up there. It's one of the roughest things you could chew.
Yeah. Tastes like gummy.
Guess we tried both of all of the flavors. Man, was it bad. I mean, yours wasn't as bad.
Yours was a little bit below 5. Like a 4. 4 out of 10. This one's like a 5 or 6 out of 10.
Just threw that. I'm done. Actually, I'm gonna swig this down with some nice, refreshing Coca-Cola.
That's water. Just put this in there.
Coca-Cola not sponsored. That would be horrible. Well, actually, I feel like that wouldn't be that. It'd just be
Try it.
No.
Do it.
And I'm putting my water across the table so Aiden doesn't get any ideas. Well, this was good and all.
I'm just gonna put what I have left back in the thing so I'm not wasting anything.
I wouldn't know about that for sure.
It's good.
If you guys enjoyed, leave a subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.